Hi there, this is 8th grade English Language Arts. My name is Mr. Newman. This is the class recap for Thursday, October 8th. Let's start with the planner. Go ahead and write down the 4 things that you see in your Hanby Student Planner. Pause the video while you do it. Welcome back. We are now going to do a free write. That is on page W14. Go ahead and pause the video while you start the 6-minute timer on your slide, and then come on back. Congratulations. Hey, you're back again. Okay. If you were in class, you would have some time to practice sharing out, reading with inflection, talking with other people. If you would like some practice before you have an assessment on this next week, you may want to go and find an adult in your household and just say, hey, can I read you my free write? See what they say. Okay, so let's move to the next portion of our class where you are turning in your character notes. So, in Google Classroom, you're going to go to the assignment that says Character Notes. You'll find it here, 10.6 Character Notes. We're going to scroll down, click to View Assignment. That opens us up to this page, and you are clicking to open the document that says Your Work. It's either going to be here on your screen, or it's going to be down at the bottom, but you should see a document with your name on it. When you open it, it looks like this. Okay, this is the document that we're going to use to insert photos of the notes. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and then Camera. When I do that, all of a sudden, here I am. I'm on the camera, but this is now a document that I want to insert into my document in Google Classroom. In my notes. So what I'm going to do is I need to get myself I don't need my photo in here, but I do want to make sure that I have a clear photo of that section of notes. And then I'm going to click to make a picture. And suddenly I have this thing here, which I am then going to insert into my document. You'll see it show up, and you want to drag it down here. So you want to make sure that for each of these, and there are 8 of them, that you have the definition on one side and you have 5 questions on the other. If you can make this a little bit bigger on your screen so that I can read what you've written, that would help. When you insert all 8, you'll kind of finish this one, hit enter, do the next one, so on and so forth. Go ahead and turn in. You can turn it in on the document here, or you can go back into Google Classroom and turn it in right there. Either way. The next thing that you're going to do is this time going into our lesson for today, which is October 8th. And you're going to register for No Red Ink. So to do that, you'll click on this, which says Log in to No Red Ink. And instead of looking like that, hold on just a minute. Instead of looking like that, you will see a screen that looks instead like this. Or it should look like this. It looks like this. There you go. So once you're here, you're going to log in with Google. Please make sure that you are using your District 6 account. So when you click on it, if you have multiple accounts open, choose the one that is at district6.org. Click on that, and it'll ask you for your class code. So listen carefully. Depending on what your class you're in, there are different ones. If you are in Block 1 that meets from 8:15 to 9:15, your code is normal catch-up 31. Okay, that's if you meet from 8:15 to 9:15. If you meet from 9:20 to 10:20, which is Block 2, your code is Fancy Raisin 17. Okay, that's if your class normally meets from 9:20 to 10:20. If you normally meet from 10:40 to 11:40, your code is Closed Loaf 32. That's if you meet from 10:40 to 11:40. If you are in Block 4, which meets from 12:30 to 1:30, your code is Major Straw 97. Okay. So when you do this, go ahead and click Continue. Okay. If you've never been in No Red Ink before, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And it's going to ask you to choose things that you are interested in. You'll notice when you select them that that bar fills up. So I could say I'm into Riverdale and I really like the Avengers and getting a little sick of Shrek. How about Supergirl and Stranger Things? And you'll notice that bar is filled up, but I'm going to add some more. I liked Hidden Figures and Divergent and The Fault in Our Stars. And there aren't just, this is movies, but there's also like, if you're into like, soccer players or U.S. presidents or historical figures, like those people are all in here, video games, all that stuff. But you want to fill up this bar here and then click continue. So what you're looking for is you're going to see this thing that says fall diagnostic. You click on the blue circle to get started. It's going to say you have a 65 question thing. We're going to have 2 days in class to do this. You click let's go. And then the prompt is going to be in the gray bar or somewhere like it, and then you highlight what you think it is. So here it says highlight any words that make up the verb. So if I think like this is the verb, or if I think this is the verb, or I think this is the verb, like I can decide any of those, but I highlight the words. If you just don't even know what a verb is, this thing is trying to figure out what you know. So if you don't know, click I don't know. Okay, I would rather that you choose I don't know than that you guess when you don't know what's going on and you get it right. Because I really want to see what you know, not how can I make an educated guess. Okay, so that's that. Make sure you turn in your notes. Have a great day. Remember, we have no school tomorrow, Friday, October 9th. And I'll see you next week.